Literal na purple yung rice dito sa Purple Rice. Hi guys, Samantha here. For today's video, arat G at samahan nyo ako dito sa Purple Rice ng SM North EDSA. Thailand cuisine siya with a modern twist, starting with their signature purple rice concept. Ambience is excellent, may subtle Thai vibe din. And while waiting, they gave us prawn crackers. Then there you go, sinaserve na nga nila ang mga foods natin. Excited na nga kami dahil nagkikrave kami ng Thai foods niyan. Kita nyo naman, itsura pa lang, very enticing na. We have authentic pad Thai, crispy spring roll, crispy bagnet with namjim, oyster hoi tod, fried garlic tofu with tamarind sauce, purple rice, pineapple fried rice, sticky rice with sweet mango and taro ice cream, volcanic chayan, and fresh longan juice. Grabe guys, sobrang detailed ng bawat dish, hindi lang basta serve, talagang may presentation. It's definitely a culinary experience you need to try. Let's start with their volcanic chayan. Tinotorch nga pala siya para i-melt yung sugar sa top para maging caramelized crust. It's a creamy Thai milk tea. Aesthetic na masarap. We have oyster hoi tod, a crispy Thai style oyster omelette. May pagka-crunchy yung edges niya, then chewy and soft sa gitna. I super love this. Jasmine purple rice. Of course, the star concept. Kaya naman tinernohan din namin siya. Nag-purple din kami. Fried garlic tofu with tamarind sauce. Na-surprise ako dito kasi ang sarap niya. Crispy bagnet with namjim. Super crunchy ng crispy pork belly and juicy inside. Then their sauce, namjim sauce. It's a combination ng spicy, asim, and tamis. Crispy spring roll. Ang cute kasi nasa basket pa siya oh. Perfect for appetizer. Served with Thai sweet chili sauce. In fairness, masarap siya, malutong, and malinamnam. Next is pineapple fried rice na mismong nakalagay sa pinya. Sweet and savory combination. May pineapple chunks, rice, and Thai style seasoning. Very tropical. Sticky rice with mango and taro ice cream. Classic Thai dessert, of course. Warm, cold, sweet, creamy, all in one bite. Very satisfying yung mango sticky rice nila itself. Dagdagan mo pa ng taro ice cream. Perfect. Authentic pad Thai chicken. Stir-fried noodles siya. Kita nyo naman, nag-e-enjoy ako habang hinahalo ko siya. It's a combination of chicken, eggs, peanuts, bean sprouts, and that signature zesty tamarind sauce. And then may side pa na lime. Very balanced, very Thai food energy. Kung sa Pinas, may pancit bihon or canton tayo, pero instead of soy-based flavor, pad Thai uses tamarind, kaya may mas asim-sweet balance siya. And their fresh longan juice, light, slightly sweet, and super refreshing, perfect pang cleanse after all the rich flavors. Kaya if you want to taste authentic Thai foods, arat G, see ya!